Good evening, everybody. My name is Jamie with Southern Breakers. Today is Saturday, July 15th. It is 10:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to go ahead and break eBay mix number 27. And just as a reminder, draft picks 2015 and 2016, we only ship rookies and hits. We do not ship base cards in both draft picks. Yes, I know. No sound. Sometimes I hit the mute button and it doesn't unmute. I swear I hit unmute though. I swear to it I did. Alright, as always, we are going to do 2015 first. I have no idea, but I'm telling y'all, I hit that stupid mute button and was still muted. Sad to answer your question. Nope, you haven't been here in a while, and yes, I was on a streak for a while of 101s in almost every break, so yep, you missed it. Alright, good luck, everybody. Let me get my camera settings out here. Give me 1 second. Maybe too far. There you go. Base. And right off the bat, we do have our auto. Michael Dyer. Rookie auto. It is not numbered. Rookie auto. And rookie cards, Houston Mason and Mario Edwards Jr. Base. Nelson Aguilar, rookie refractor. Rookie cards, Eric Kendricks, Sammy Coates. Base. Reggie Wayne, insert. Mariota rookie card and Malcolm Brown rookie card. Base. Nick O'Leary, team trademarks, refractor, not numbered. Lael Collins and Danielle Hunter rookie cards. We do have playbook ending right now, so we do have playbook ending. Base. Cam Newton refractor. Devontae Davis and Buck Allen rookie cards. Base. Devontae Davis camo, rookie camo. It is numbered 187 and 199. 187 and 199. Devontae Davis. Gerald Christian and TJ Clemens rookies. Base. All-American, Kadeem Carey. And Kevin White, Jake Waters rookie cards. Base. And our next auto is Alumnus Auto, and it is Alan Hearns. Alan Hearns Auto. Alumnus Auto. 22 of 75. 22 of 75. And that goes to the Jaguars. Carrie, that's you. Congratulations. And Eli Harold, Paul Dawson rookie cards. Base. And Danny Shelton, blue auto. Blue auto. Really short print for this product was what we've been getting so far. 25 of 75. 25 of 75. Danny Shelton. And he does go to the Browns. There you go. Josh Harper. Rookie refractor. David Johnson rookie card and Antoine Goodley rookie card. Base. Renell Hall rookie refractor. And Devontae Parker and Jordan Phillips rookie cards. Base. Big Ben refractor. Deontay Greenberry and Tyler Lockett rookie cards. Last pack. Base. Danielle Hunter. Refractor die cut. And TJ Yeldon, Michael Pruitt rookie cards. And last up for 2015, we'll go ahead and do high tech. We have base card. Purple Russell Wilson. It's hard to see that's purple, but it is purple. Purpley blue. Russell Wilson. Even though it's purple, it does not appear to be numbered. Nope. Not numbered. Just purple. We have base. And our auto is Kevin White. Kevin White going to the Bears. Anthony, that's you. Rookie auto, Kevin White. Congratulations. It is not numbered. Not numbered. Kevin White, that is going to you. So our 2015 was Kevin White, rookie auto. Danny Shelton, blue, which was 25 of 75. And then Alumnus auto, Alan Hearns. On to 2016. First up, we have Jalen Ramsey, Rookie Roundup. Jarvis Landry, that is the Premium Retail Blue card. And we have base. Unsung Heroes, Kyle Long. Base. Extreme Team, Amari Cooper. And our patch is Corey Coleman for the Browns. Corey Coleman for the Browns. Base cards. And last patch, we have auto. Red Zone, Eli Manning. And for the 49ers, we have Jeff Driscoll. Jeff Driscoll going to San Francisco. Greg, that's you. And base cards. Alright, that is all for Absolute Premium Retail. Go ahead and do 2016 draft picks. Base. Eric Murray, Rookie Refractor. Amari Cooper, die cut. Rookie cards, Kenneth Dixon, Brandon Capusi, DeForest Buckner, Brandon Allen, and Terrence Smith. Base. Brian Bodie Calhoun, Rookie Refractor. Demarcus Robinson, camo. It is 78 of 199. 78 of 199. Rookie cards, Laquan Treadwell, Trey Carson, Christian Hackenberg, Malik Collins, and Dominique Alexander. Base cards. And we do have a camo auto, and it is Jason Faneca. Camo auto, 44 of 199. 44 of 199. Greg Olson, Refractor. Jameis Winston, die cut. Rookie cards, Jaden Mickens, Emmanuel Ogbah, Eli Apple, Mackenzie Alexander, and Antonio Morrison. Mills, rookie refractor. And our next auto is another camo auto. Noah Spence, camo auto. It is 169 of 199. 169 of 199. Rookie cards, Bryce Williams, Von Bell, Sua Cravens, Darian Thompson, and Vernon Adams Jr. Base. Eddie Lacy, refractor. And red, white, and blue, Nate Sudfeld. $25 of 25, eBay 101. 25 of 25, Nate Sudfeld. Rookie cards, DJ Foster, Kenyon Drake, Kenny Clark, Blake Martinez, and Jack Allen. Base. Deion Jones, refractor. And our next auto, our third auto, Devon Kojusti. Not numbered. And rookie cards, Leonte Carew, Devontae Booker, Robert Nkendike, Jordan Kanziri, and Cyrus Jones. Base. Derek Carr, refractor. And a third camo auto, popular tonight, Victor Uchi, camo, 160 of 199, 160 of 199. Should have one more auto in here. Hunter Henry, rookie card, Jordan Payton, Byron Marshall, Dermani Afidi, and Jared Norris. Base. Jonathan Bullard, rookie refractor. And Maurice Kennedy, purple rookie card, purple refractor. It is 52 of 99, 52 of 99. Rookie cards, Connor Cook, Jason Spriggs, Rashard Higgins, Scooby Wright, and Kentrell Brothers. Base. Charles Woodson, refractor. LaShawn McCoy, insert. And our rookie cards are Jordan Jenkins, Austin Hooper, Cardale Jones, Jake McGee, and Will Redmond. Base. Harlan Miller, rookie refractor. I think yes we do. We have a major hit. See if I can go ahead and get a case. And it is Carson Wentz. Red, white, and blue auto. Carson Wentz. Red, white, and blue auto. Let me get a case now and get you the number. Go on to the Eagles. Boom. There you go. And it is 19 of 25. 19 of 25. Eagles, Greg, that's you. Congratulations. Very nice hit right there. Very, very nice. And our rookie cards are Kyle Carter, Jordan Howard, Andrew Billings, Tyler Higbee, and William Jackson III. Ouch. Base. Ben Roethlisberger, refractor. Sheldon Rankins, camo. $162 of $199. $162 of $199. Rookie cards: Carl Nassib, Devin Johnson, Ashawn Robinson, Kiaris Garrett, and Kyler Fackrell. Last pack. Base. Jason Witten, refractor. Carson Palmer, insert. Not numbered. And rookie cards: Demarcus Robinson, Miles Jack, Jalen Ramsey, Jason Faneca, and Derek Watt. Alright, that is all for 2016. Is it? Before I start my next break, I'll reset everything. Alrighty, 2016 playoff. When I post it to YouTube tonight, once we get done, it won't look like that. So if you've missed anything or want to go back and watch it, it will not be it won't be like that. It'll be clear. So I apologize. Base. Always favorite. Moritz Boringer going to the Vikings. Patch 6 of 149. 6 of 149. Going to the Vikings. SR, that's you. Drew Brees, playoff. Boss Hogs, Matt Forte. And Kyler Fackrell, rookie card. Well, I'll upload it and it'll definitely be clear. Base. You gotta be kidding me. It's just that kind of night, guys. Carson Wentz, auto, 18 of 199. 18 of 199. Greg, that was another Carson Wentz for you. Congratulations. Two Carson Wentz autos on the same break. That's hard to do. That's hard to do. Demaryius Thomas, Dez Bryant, class reunion. Odell Beckham Jr., stargazing. And Vernon Hargreaves III. Base. Von Miller, Playoff Thunder. Thomas Rawls, Boss Hogs. And Hunter Henry, rookie card. Base. Jay Cutler, Playoff Air. Stargazing, Russell Wilson. And rookie card is Cody Core. Base. And for the Cowboys, Dak Prescott, 15 of 99. 15 of 99. SRR LLC, that's going to you. 15 of 99. Very nice. There you go. Class reunion, Cam Newton, Von Miller. Boss Hogs, Todd Gurley. And Kenyon Drake rookie card. Base. Greg Olsen, 84 of 199. 84 of 199. Kirk Cousins, Playoff Air. Sammy Watkins, Stargazing. And DeForest Buckner rookie card. Base. Carson Palmer, Jason Witten, class reunion. Lamar Miller, Boss Hogs, and Jack Conklin rookie card. Base. Todd Gurley, Stargazing Refractor, 118 of 199. 118 of 199. Going to the Rams. TJ, that's you. Jamal Charles, Stargazing. And Hassan Ridgeway, rookie card. Base. Eli Manning, Playoff Thunder. LeGarrette Blount, Boss Hogs, and William Jackson III, rookie card. Base. Carson Palmer, Playoff Air. Julian Edelman, Stargazing, and Kevin Hogan rookie card. Base. Drew Brees, Steve Smith Sr., class reunion. Le'Veon Bell, Boss Hogs, and Reggie Ragland rookie card. last pack. Base. Teddy B, refractor, 152 of 199. 152 of 199. Going to the Vikings, SRRR, that's you. Blake Bortles, Pile of Thunder, Mariota, Stargazing, and Devin Lucen, rookie card. Alright, that is all for mixer number 27. I'm going to go ahead and get this uploaded, and just a couple minutes, let me check payments and everything before our next break. So I do have to random these. I'll roll the dice. Even number gets top half of the card, odd number gets bottom half of the card. We have 5 and 3, 8, so it is even. Going to Chargers, Bengals, Panthers, Cowboys.